Why don't we get down, loosen up, Lucy make me high like drugs.
I wish you good luck. Almost positive the queue time right now is like over an hour and a half. And it definitely took at least an hour and a half for me to get in, so. I'm always scared to get off midday because like, I never know if I'm done for the day. And so like if I do end up getting off, like I kind of have to be until at least till like later when the servers die down a little bit. Even then, like at night the servers don't die down all that much. Like last night it still took me quite a bit to get in. Yeah, I mean, hey, other than that, like everything is running absolutely perfect. Like there's very minimal lag on servers. It seems like server wise everything's been running pretty good. I don't think it'll die out because honestly, like it's similar but it's not the same. And with some of the things I've seen with Infinite, I definitely think it's gonna be a variety game still, because you're gonna get a lot of things out of Splitgate that you wouldn't get out of Infinite, and then vice versa. For like one of the new things that I saw in Infinite was like the whole grappling hook thing, which I don't think they would ever put that in this game. And there's already ranked matchmaking, which means it's gonna get competitive very quick and might even become big in esports. I can see it being a big game in esports. This is a very heavy skill-based game for sure. Knowing how to use portals and
Kingslayer
weapon combat at the same time takes a lot. But yeah, I hope their dev team gets bigger so that their game can grow a lot more, because I think they're gonna struggle with the 4-person dev team, especially with how big it has the potential to get and how big it most likely will get. They just need a few more people on the team. Like they don't need a big company, they don't need a big team at all, but if they added a few more people to their team, they could have this game pumping content consistently. Shit, I mean, look how much they already have out. I don't know how long development took for this game, but with 4 people, they're running all of this, and then on top of like their first days, like with how many people they had to deal with, like they had to improvise with a lot of shit. I'm sure they've already bought plenty more servers.
Gain the lead.
But like they have so much content in this game already, just off of like its first week or two that it's been out. I think it's been like 2 weeks now. They have so much content. They already have a battle pass. There's what, like 8 different maps, 9 different maps. There's plenty of variety of guns, skins for guns, skins for characters. Like they need a few people for a few departments, and that's it. That's all they need. They did so much already on their own. If they added a few more people, they could go absolutely crazy with this game. And I hope they do. Oh shit. I mean, everybody's already saying that it's beating out Warzone and shit, which, I mean, isn't too big of an accomplishment because Warzone's kind of garbage with how it's been ran. I really wish Warzone was better managed because I enjoy playing it because I like the Call of Duty. I like the Call of Duty graphics and feel of it. Like, I absolutely love Cold War. I loved Modern Warfare. Modern Warfare was fun. But Warzone, they just don't manage it in the slightest. There's hackers everywhere. They did a big ban, but like the big ban did absolutely nothing because people could easily make new accounts for a free game. So like, in all, it didn't do a whole, it didn't fix the problem, and they don't care to fix the problem. But yes, I 100% see this being like the next big esports game to play. I feel like this is gonna get real competitive, and I am all for it. They're definitely yeah. See, everybody liked Warzone when it came out, because when it came out, like, there wasn't all the issues that there are now. It's like they produced something good, and that was about it. They just produced it. They didn't maintain it. They didn't keep it going. They didn't, you know, they didn't take care of it. When they should have babied the hell out of that game, because they could have, I mean, they still did, but like, they could be doing so much more. They could be making so much more. I just got chased down. Yeah. At this point, it's just for money. Like, they don't put, I don't think they're gonna put any more money into the game other than maybe like bug updates and shit. I don't see much more getting into the game. They've kind of reached their limit there, and especially with all the other shit coming out with how the company's been, it's only gonna go downhill for them. I honestly see it dying out pretty quickly. I don't know how much further it'll go. There's like all the big streamers that used to play Warzone all the time, that was like their content, don't play it anymore for that exact reason. Is it like, that's, they've done everything and they're not going to continue to do anything. It's like it feels like they've hit their peak. Especially with all the lawsuits going on with the lawsuits. The lawsuits are definitely gonna hinder them completely with everything like all the shit coming out. It's not gonna be good. I could see them. No, I don't think they go out of business. But are they, for Diablos, are they remastering or are they producing new Diablos games? Oh shit. Okay, I didn't know. Yeah, remastering. Cool.
Lost the lead.
That's, yeah, I mean, that's the move they should make, to be honest. You know what? I didn't know about that, but I'm kind of hyped about that. I did not know about that. I've always wanted to play Diablos 2, but like, really, I feel like you gotta have a group to play, to have more fun with it, so I never did. I didn't really know anybody that was